Here you go, guys. I'll do a video and share a tip on fixing an old brittle headliner shell. So I've had this one out for a while to the side, and the sun and heat's just cooked it over the years. It's like styrofoam. There's a few different types of headliner shells. Almost got my table back for the week. I'll do the black suede headliner on this one. I'm out here fiberglassing it right now. Start doing some body work on the bed soon. Weather's finally back full circle. It's fixing the corners on the top right now. I've already taken and fiberglassed the complete back side of it. This stuff was so brittle it would just snap like regular styrofoam. I used the cloth nylon style fiberglass cloth just because I hate the other stuff. So itchy and messy. This one's a little messy too. But I recommended this to a couple friends. The first one I helped with it, we did the same thing here. Did the whole back side and strengthened it. So this cloth is completely across the back. The whole thing. And then liquid resin. So you got, and that's Sunflesh. It's the one with the hardener. You don't really want to do the whole top of this because it'll be lumpy. You'll have a lot of sanding to do. I'm going to have quite a bit to do on these corners and sides. But it'd be a nightmare if I had to make the whole surface smooth from putting fiberglass all over it. This is already a nightmare enough right here. I thought I was going to fill it with just liquid fiberglass on the front, resin. Went ahead and put some more cloth, and I may have to do another layer of cloth to fill in the thickness of that and get the level up. And start sanding it. This is like the 4th day I've been fiberglassing here and there on this shell. Of course, they weren't full days on it. A couple hours, an hour of sanding. Put another fiberglass layer, let it dry, come back the next day, whatever. I'll continue showing the process on this. I'll go ahead and knock it out over the next few days. I'll come back and show you what I got on the next one. Peace.